So I just fixed my own AC. I had trouble with the blower, the fan. It wouldn't work on any of the lower settings, only on high. And then at some point it stopped working at all, not even on high. So I looked on YouTube, and first it said to replace the resistor. So I did that, which was a little bit challenging because you got to splice wires together. Not a real big deal. It didn't take me that long, maybe 30 minutes, but that didn't fix it. So I went ahead and ordered a blower motor, and it's got 3 screws. A 1, a 2, and a 3 behind that. There it is. And you got to pull this out. It supplies the electricity. And you got to take this clip off, pull these wires down, and you get it off pretty quick. And I just put it in there in like 5 minutes, and I'm 67 years old. So some of those YouTube videos got the guy struggling and putting pillows on the floorboard and all this nonsense. No, I just laid in there, put it in there, boom, done, it fixed it. Yay, I got AC on several different settings. So don't be afraid to try it yourself. You can save yourself a lot of money. Have a great day.